Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced tea juice. First, gather your simple ingredients like tea bags, fresh water, and your favorite sweetener. Next, we will brew a strong tea concentrate to ensure a rich flavor. Then, we will sweeten it to perfection and finally, chill it thoroughly. This easy guide will help you create a refreshing beverage that is perfect for any occasion, ready in just a few simple steps. To begin, bring 4 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add 6 to 8 tea bags, depending on your desired strength and tea type. Let the tea steep for about 5 minutes to create a robust concentrate. Carefully remove the tea bags, making sure to avoid squeezing them, which can release bitter flavors. Now, set the tea aside and allow it to cool completely to room temperature. Now that your tea concentrate has cooled, it is time to sweeten it. Add about 1/2 cup of sugar, or your preferred sweetener like honey or agave, to the tea. Stir thoroughly until the sweetener is completely dissolved. This ensures an even sweetness throughout your drink. For an extra burst of flavor, you might consider adding fresh lemon slices or a few sprigs of mint. Taste and adjust the sweetness as needed. Finally, pour your sweetened tea concentrate into a large pitcher. Add an additional 4 cups of cold water to dilute it to your desired strength. Give it a good stir to combine everything evenly. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing it to chill completely. Serve your homemade iced tea over plenty of ice, garnished with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint for a truly refreshing beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.